Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying two things: watch model compatibility and software versions. Make sure your Apple Watch is Series 4 or newer, and both devices run the latest OS. Once done, check your iPhone is paired and signed into iCloud with your Apple ID. Now, decide. Change your existing Apple ID country or create a new Apple ID for a supported region. I'll show the faster route first: changing your iPhone region settings and confirming health profile readiness. You now change the active region on your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Language and Region, and switch to a country where ECG is supported. Next, open App Store and sign out of your Apple ID for media. Either sign in with a new Apple ID registered in that country, or change your existing Apple ID country in Apple ID account settings. After changes, restart both devices to force policy refresh. Make sure health permissions and legal agreements appear, and accept them so you finish by enabling ECG. On the Apple Watch, open the ECG app and follow the guided setup. The iPhone Health app may request additional details like region and birth date. Complete those. If the app still shows unavailable, make sure the iPhone's region and your Apple ID country match a supported nation, then sign out and sign back in to refresh entitlements. If problems persist, restart devices, verify watch model and watch OS. And as a last resort, create a fresh Apple ID registered in the supported country and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.